Welcome back. Okay, so you've set your budget, you've got your mud map, and you'd be right to think you need to talk to a bank manager or builder and see if you can borrow the money, right? Your next step is a feasibility study. There's no point spending all that effort talking to your bank to borrow, say, $200,000, only to find that your project is more likely to be $400,000, right? Believe me, this scenario plays out so much it's not funny. A feasibility study is where we start using square metre rates. Now remember, when we're talking custom homes and renovations, square metre rates are very broad and they're not comparable to the square metre rates offered by a volume builder. Volume builders are able to keep their square metre rates low through economies of scale. They buy in bulk. Their designs are optimised for return, their systems are largely inflexible, and their trades are cheaper as they're punching out house after house. So their rates actually reflect this. If you're building a new custom home, you could be looking at anywhere from $1,500 a square metre through to $4,000 plus, depending on complexity, size, logistics. With your reno projects, you could be looking at anywhere from $1,800 per square metre for a very basic renovation through to $4,000 plus for a more complex extension and renovation. So use these square metre rates to begin setting your budget. The biggest mistake we see on a regular basis is customers using volume builder rates for their project. If you do this, you can almost be assured that your project will never see the light of day and you'll waste a lot of time and money. Or worse still, you'll sign a contract with a builder and get stuck in the worst roller coaster ride of your life. When setting your budget, err on the side of caution and use a higher square metre rate for your project. It's always better to assume a higher rate and find your project comes down rather than scrimp at this stage and then have to battle your way through to the end. I hope you got a bit of value out of this video. Please stick around for the next video as we discuss how to set your budget. Cheers.